Now this is the third lecture of our HTML. Okay, this is the third lecture of HTML. In this particular lecture, we are going to write a program. We are going to start to write a program. But question mark, where to write a program? What application should we use to write the program? And that is called editor. It is called what? Editors. What editors available to write a HTML program? So we'll start to understand some of the editor I have chosen here to where you can write the what? HTML program. The most and basic editor of Windows is called Notepad. Notepad is versatile. So many things you can write into that particular Notepad. But Notepad is also used for HTML as a HTML editor also, and it's very basic. It is always available in Windows. Just we have to type in search Notepad and you'll get the Notepad. The Notepad is very simple and always available in Microsoft Windows. Like for Mac, there is some notepads. Okay, TextMat is there for the Mac. But we are going to talk most of the things about HTML for Windows. Okay. Now the first thing we should go through this HTML is typically authored using simple text editor. We need to use simple text editors, but there are specialized integrated development environment IDEs. We can discuss later on this. Okay, what is this? And editors that offer features tailored for HTML development. There are so many. Here are some widely used HTML scripting applications. Here you can say editors or you can say applications also. Which first one is Visual Studio Code. This is for so many programming, but Visual Studio Code, VS Code also it is said as VS Code is a free open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It is from Microsoft and it is open source and it is free also. It is what features, what advantage? It is lightweight. Extensible, and supports HTML. You can write HTML, you can write CSS, you can write JavaScript. Then second most important and widely used is what most people like to use or prefer to use, what? Sublime Text. Sublime Text is very widely used application is there. Description. Sublime Text is a popular fast text editor that supports syntaxes highlighting. Means when you write something, you need a particular sentence section. Means what? Syntaxes highlighting means what? Like we write a sentence in English and say grammar. If you write a wrong grammar, it marks as red. Grammar is wrong. Like that, there's syntaxes are there in HTML, which is actually which is the support syntax highlighting. It's automatic highlight the syntax. This is proper, this is wrong. Okay. By the highlighting we come to know what we have written is right or wrong. Okay. For HTML, CSS and Java, it has simple distraction free interface. Very simple and distraction free interface. Okay. Then we have Atom. Atom is hackable text editor developed by GitHub. It is customizable, easy to use and support HTML and web developed out of the box. This is also there. Okay, we can talk later much, but what is important I can let you know what important. Then we have brackets. What? Description bracket is an open source text editor specifically designed for web development. It has live preview. The major advantage of this particular bracket is instead of seeing the preview in browser, you can directly see the preview where? Into this particular application or into particular editor. This is that one. Then we have widely used Notepad. Notepad++ is a free and powerful text editor for Windows. While not exclusively designed for web development, this is not only for the designed for web development, but you can use it supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript and more. Okay, this is also you can do. That website is called where you can get this. You can get from Notepad++. Then Bluefish. Bluefish is lightweight yet powerful editor designed for web developers. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, Bluefish. Then Aptana Studio. Aptana Studio is an open source IDE for web development, supports HTML, CSS and Java. It offers features like integrated debugging and GitHub Okay, Aptana Studio you can get from the site of Aptana Studio. Now this applications provide a range of features to enhance your HTML scripting experience. These are some features available. There are more features is given that makes to write the HTML program very easily. Make it little faster and efficient to write a program against what? Notepad. Some automatic features you get, some automatic text you get, some automatic codes you get. They give the directly codes without any typing. Just type H, then it gets the HTML also like this. Okay, these are there. Such syntax is highlighting. What are the features? Syntax highlighting, auto completions, integration with version control systems. Now what? Choose the one. Choose the one that fits your preferences and workflow. Whatever you prefer, whatever you feel best, you can use that. No extra other added advantage like that. We have to use this. No, it is your preference. Choose whatever you want. This. So this is the basic description of the available editors in the market. We can go through. We have to go through, and we have to see what is preferable for us. We like to use what? Two important editors or application. One is Notepad and second is Sublime Text. We use also visual VS Codes also. That is also good. So VS Code you can use, Sublime Text you can use, Notepad plus you can use. These are the good, simple and good one. Okay, that you can use to edit the what? HTML program or to write a HTML program. Okay, this is the basic definition or basic description about the tools.